The Logitech G413 mechanical keyboard. Aimed at gamers on a budget, this keyboard promises pro-grade performance without the hefty price tag. But does it deliver? Let's dive in. The G413 features Logitech's proprietary Roamer G mechanical switches. These switches are designed for speed, responsiveness, and durability. In my experience, they offer a satisfying tactile feel and a quick actuation point, perfect for gaming. The keystrokes are clean and precise, and I never felt like I missed a key press. The brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top case gives the keyboard a premium feel and adds to its overall durability. It's a minimalist design, which I appreciate. No unnecessary bells and whistles here, just a focus on functionality. One of the standout features is the USB pass-through. This is incredibly convenient for plugging in your mouse or charging your phone directly from your keyboard. The dedicated media controls are also a welcome addition, allowing you to adjust volume and playback without interrupting your game. The red backlighting is bright and even, and while it's not RGB, it provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions. Logitech claims the lighting is designed to shine through the keycaps without being distracting, and I found this to be true. Now let's talk about some potential downsides. The G413 doesn't have dedicated macro keys, which might be a deal breaker for some gamers. The keycaps are also made of ABS plastic, which can become shiny over time. While the Roamer G switches are great, they might not appeal to everyone. Some users might prefer the feel of Cherry MX or other mechanical switches. Overall, the Logitech G413 is a fantastic budget-friendly mechanical keyboard. It offers excellent performance, a durable build, and some convenient features. While it lacks some of the bells and whistles of more expensive keyboards, it's a great option for gamers looking for a solid, no-frills mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.